Rise, Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All rise. Let's dive into this courtroom showdown. Judge Faith Jenkins is presiding over the case of Sauer v. Moffitt, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Miss Sauer is demanding child support from her ex-fiancé, George Moffitt, a man who legally adopted her 9-year-old son Travis during their relationship. But here's the kicker. George isn't the biological father, and the couple never made it down the aisle. The tension is thick, and the legal gray area even thicker. Will George be held financially responsible, or is there a legal loophole waiting to save him? Let's break it all down.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid? You adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him, right?
You adopted Travis.
Yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left, and we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
Yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Miss Sauer takes the stand with one clear message. George may be her ex, but he's still Travis's legal father, and that means he should help support him. She reminds the court, George voluntarily adopted her son while they were engaged, but now, George is backpedaling. He admits to the adoption, but argues he barely sees Travis anymore and insists his income is too low. Then comes the twist. George confesses he had a panic attack the day of the wedding and walked away from it all. Now the courtroom is divided. Is George dodging his duty, or did he genuinely break under emotional pressure? This case just got a whole lot deeper.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted.
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George's defense? A total scramble. He starts rambling about delivering mail and being a nice guy, but the judge cuts through the fluff fast. Travis is your legal son. That comes with real responsibility. George brings up his panic attacks and emotional struggles again, but this time the courtroom isn't buying it. Then, a shift. Miss Sauer's voice softens. She tells the judge that Travis still asks about George at night, that he misses him. It's a gut punch moment. Suddenly, this case feels less like a courtroom battle and more like a story of love, regret, and a boy caught in the...
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when you think this case couldn't get wilder, the judge drops a bomb. Why don't you two just get married? Gasps. Silence. Then, George lights up. He still has the engagement ring. Miss Stauer pauses, then nods. Right there in the courtroom. Judge Funderburk marries them. The child support case. Dismissed. Under Texas law, married couples don't owe child support to each other. What started as a tense legal standoff turned into a shocking, heartwarming reunion. Proof that sometimes love really does get the last word.
And get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
okay, sure.
Let's, yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
Okay.
This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the surprise bows, Judge Funderburk breaks it down. In Texas, when parents are married, child support obligations no longer apply. This wasn't just a courtroom twist. It was a legal loop that led to love. This case is a rare reminder. Sometimes the courtroom isn't where families fall apart. It's where they come back together. If this story caught you off guard in the best way, share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more unforgettable family court moments. Because sometimes, justice isn't just fair, it's full of heart.